Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here, and welcome to day 23, where we're going to talk about sending broadcast emails, about what they're for and how to send them. So first off, broadcast email, what is that? Broadcast email is an email that goes out whenever you decide to send it out. These aren't pre-configured emails. Say you wake up in the morning and you're going to start broadcasting emails to your list because of a promotion that you became a part of, or that you're having some type of sale over the weekend. So you're going to send 3 broadcast emails over the weekend to your list, letting them know about your special sale, right? So like I say, there's other more configured automated emails for campaigns, and that's what we'll be talking about in one of the next videos here. But for today, we're just going to be talking about broadcasts. So let's take a look at how you send them. So here I am over in Drip, and you can see I've got other broadcasts that I've sent out. But what I want to do here is just click onto New Broadcast Email. And you're going to go into the section of your autoresponder under broadcast and go in there and click on new email. So for this one, it's going to want a name. So let's just call it test broadcast 1. Create a broadcast. And then from there, it's pretty simple. So we'll continue with setup here. And the first thing that we want to do is configure the recipient. So who's going to get this? So I could send this to all of the people on my list, or I can filter it out. And I could say, let's go with the tag equals. So a tag is just like a note applied to a subscriber. So a tag could be that they're a customer, that they downloaded a free lead magnet. So for this one, my broadcast is going to be everyone who, I'm going to say I imported from Aweber. So I click Save Recipients. And now I'm not going to scroll down because it's going to flash a bunch of info about my subscribers, and I don't want to do that. But you can see I've got a tag here. So this is only going to send to the people that have the tag Aweber import. So you can see I can click here and add additional conditions as far as the people that I want to broadcast to. So the next thing is to do the actual email itself. So when I go over here to email, and all I have to do is just type in here, check out my special sale this weekend, and then I would have click here. Now this is as basic as it can get. I just kind of want to show you. Now click here. I would click on this little link option, and let's send them to SeanBailey.com. So there we go. Now I would probably put a little bit more work into an email that I was going to send out here, but you get the gist. As far as inside the editor, whatever I type and set up in here, this is the actual email that they're going to get. Now, a lot of times they'll have an option to send a test email. I highly recommend sending a test email to yourself. Read it over, make sure there's no errors, make sure that the links work, and give it a test run before it actually goes out. Now, once it's done and ready to go, then I'm going to go to the next stage here where I go and actually configure and schedule my email. So this one's going to ask me to set up, I have to put in some postal information. One moment. Okay, I've set up my postal info here. Everything's ready to go. And now it's going to tell me to set up when I want this email to go out. So the cool thing is I can set this up to go right away if I want. Everything's all good. Boom, let's send it immediately to the list. Or I can go in and I can tell it to go at a specific time, right? I want it to go 2 hours from now. I want it to go tomorrow morning, whatever I want as far as broadcasting this out. I can choose any time that I want. And one of the cool features here in Drip is that it lets me resend this broadcast to subscribers who do not open it. So out of these 37 people, if somebody doesn't open it, I can check this box. I can tell it to wait a day, and I can choose a new subject line and have this same broadcast sent again. So lots of different ways to get this broadcast into people's hands. So that's it. Super simple. Go in, schedule your first broadcast, even if you only send it to yourself. Go in, that's your homework for today. Try out the broadcast feature. Even if you don't send a broadcast, just go in there, try it out, and mess around with stuff. Have a good time with it. And I will see you in the next video.